let's do my makeup. We are going for a no makeup look, so let's get right into it. So my foundation broke some months ago. Oh, it's over a month now, not some months ago. It's over a month now, and it dried up. So I need to get another foundation. So we are only using only concealer for this look. Primer. So let's do our brows first. So because it's a no makeup look, I'm not applying anything on my brows. I will just conceal it. That's the only thing. So when I'm done, I'll come back. So we're done with the brows. You see how natural they look. I just highlighted it with my concealer and my angle brush. That was all. So now let's conceal our face. So we've done concealing our face. So I use this shade of concealer as my, what's it called, the other one that stays on the, like beside the concealer. I forgot what it's called. So I put the shade here under my concealer. I put it on my forehead, put it here and here. I don't know if you can see the side of my face. There's no light here, so you can't see the side of my face, but I put here. So we're going to use my blush. So I made this blush with my nude lipstick and red shade of eyeshadow palette. My eyeshadow, that is what I used to make this. Yeah, and I used coconut oil for the mixture, so that is why it's like this. I don't have a natural blush, so I made my own blush from scratch. So yeah, let's apply this. So this is where I put my blush. I don't know if I usually get the right placement, but I just do it this way and it works for me. So whatever works for you is fine. So this is where I put my blush, and here, that's it. So let's blend. So we've blended here. You see how hair looks like. So that's here. Use a pressed powder for the setting of the concealer. Then you use the pressing powder on the rest of your face just to set everything. And after that, you use your red shades of blush to set the place you put the our fake blush before. Like I tell people, don't do too much because we are going for a no makeup look. We don't want to do too much on our face. You see, even with the little I put, look at how I highlighted it looks. So just try to blend that into our face. Dust your brush before you do it because it would look too much. Like I said, I am no makeup artist, but this is my go-to makeup look. This is my go-to makeup look. So when I'm done with my hair, we'll see the final results. This is our final look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure you subscribe and check out my next video to see how I style. Bye.